Amazon today will reveal its financial earnings, and experts are predicting revenues of up to $73 billion in the first quarter alone. That works out to sales of about $10,000 per second. John Northcott is on that story. John, that really very much reflects the way we're buying right now, if we're buying at all during this pandemic crisis, Amazon and that kind of a delivery company. But Amazon, John, interestingly under fire for the way it's treating its workers in this pandemic.
Absolutely, Heather. This, and not only the 600,000 workers the company had this, but 100,000 more workers hired since the pandemic began. We're seeing day strikes. We're seeing picket lines being set up in some locations in the United States in particular. All of this because they have concerns about the working conditions. Too many people, they say, are working too close together. Not enough PPE, they say. The morning, what they call a stand-up meeting, the all-staff meeting, in one room, all too close together. I mentioned protests. Let's look and listen to some of what's taken place in the United States.
When management tried to come out and kick us out and intimidate us and threaten us, we tried to deliver our demands and tell them, that we're here because we're serious about this and we're really concerned about the safety of our coworkers inside.
That from an organization called Amazonians United. There are concerns in this country as well. This is a facility being built, so this is file footage just north of Calgary, where there are now 5 cases have been reported there amongst employees. Also cases reported at Bolton, north of Toronto, and one in the Ottawa area as well. The workers say that they want an area completely sanitized and the plant shut down when there is a confirmed case of COVID amongst the employees. The company is saying it is doing what it can, but it says to, at the moment anyway, to shut down a facility the way the workers want. The company is not cooperating with. There are also concerns about the employee email chain. Now, they can at any point talk to their other employees, and the company, Amazon, is monitoring those who would send emails to more than 500 employees at a time. Concerns there, they say, the employees, about the company keeping too close an eye on them and curtailing their ability to organize and to communicate with their other workers. Heather?
There are some high-profile advocates working behind the employees, John.
Absolutely. This is in the United States. A number of senators, including Cory Booker and Bernie Sanders, a couple of names you may be familiar with, putting out a statement, and let's look at that statement there in terms of what they're saying. We write today to strongly urge you to prioritize the health, safety, and well-being of your employees. Any failure of Amazon to keep its workers safe does not just put their employees at risk, it puts the entire country at risk. Concerns there obviously about employees bringing it home to friends and loved ones. Some concern about whether or not you could get COVID-19 from packages delivered. Most say that the risk is very low. On the other hand, they say, well, why not wipe it down, throw out the packaging, and then maybe just leave the package for a day or two to allow the virus to simply die on it. One other note to pass along, this is a feeling shared by many workers, particularly in the United States, May Day. The traditional day when workers protest and take to the streets. There is a call for Amazon workers, Target workers, and Whole Foods workers as well to effectively walk off the job tomorrow to make their voices heard. Heather?
John, thank you.